Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for fire sign Aries. This is weekly reading and this reading is from July 18th to July 24th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Aries. Aries fire sign. So your recent past, Knight of Wands, Eight of Swords, Eight of Wands. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. I think your person, maybe you or your person could be stuck in past, but there is some moment already happened between both of you or it going to be happen, because Knight of Wands, definitely your person want to come towards you, they are rushing or you could be rushing towards them. Eight of Wands, some communication is already started between both of you. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. The Sun, wow. Three of Pentacles. The Star, wow. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection, because Three of Pentacles is working together, but when you both working on this relationship, you have to decide, you have both work on this relationship, definitely it will going to next level, because the Sun is very positive card in the whole deck. Definitely there is a, you both could be happy with each other. And the Star, your person could be Aquarius or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Definitely there is a hope, bright future for this connection. When you both, when there is equal give and take in this connection, definitely there is a bright future. So let's see your person, your future actions towards you. Lot of energy. Politics, why politics is here? New Vision, the Hangman, Abundance, King of Pentacles. I want clarification card here for why politics is here. Okay, Exhaustion. I think there is some sneaky energy. One person is sneaky in this connection, because exhaustion, they are exhausted because some issues between both of you. And I think your person may be seeing things spiritually, they are stuck, because Hangman, New Vision, they are thinking in new way. And Abundance, King of Pentacles, definitely they want to come towards you and offer strong commitment to you, stable commitment, but it will take time, because right now they are in exhausted mode. Then they will spiritually awaken, after they will come towards you and offer this long-term commitment to you. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Aries. Harmony, Ten of Cups. You or your person would be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Wow, Understanding, Page of Cups. Participation, see here, Four of Wands. And the last card, Letting Go, Eight of Cups. So I think exhaustion, letting go, control issues I am getting here. So definitely Four of Wands, this could be twin flame connection. Your person want harmony in this connection. Ten of Cups and Understanding, Page of Cups. They want to offer, they want to say apology to you if they did wrong in past. Definitely they want this connection and they want to offer strong commitment to you, but it will take time, because right now they are exhausted. And some sneaky energies also. After the transformation, the Hangman, after spiritual awakening, they realize you both and they will come towards you. Four of Wands, definitely they want home with you, definitely they want harmony in this connection. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.